Hello all, welcome back to channel. So in last one video we are discussing about the user management, and we try to add a user, delete a user, and modify the user group ID and GID, and we have created a group also. Okay, but last time we are having a discussion about home directory. So what is home directory? Okay, so whenever we create a user will have his own home directory. Why we are calling home directory? So whenever that you will become that user and you will log into a system, you will be hitting that directory, you will be inside that directory. So see, now I am a root user. For root user we are having /root, but for all the others user, like see, okay, so this is my home directory. Okay, so whatever user you are creating will have one home directory that is defined in /home. So if I go /home, okay, so we have created test2 user, it is having home directory, Ubuntu user also having home directory, and Vagrant user also having the home directory. Okay, and the ownership of that home directory and group will be the same like a user of that thing. Like we are having Ubuntu user, so there is a directory inside home, that is Ubuntu, and the that owner and group is also Ubuntu. So other users will able to go inside, but they will not able to list anything. Same goes with Vagrant. And root is a superpower user, so it can go any directory of that, any home directory of any user. So whenever we create a user, we will define home directory. It will get created inside /home by default. If you want some other changes, you can use -d and make the changes like other home directory you can define over there. But by default, user home directory will get created inside /home with the username. And whenever that user will log into the system, it will lend it to that same home directory. Let me show you that thing. I have logged out from that system. Let me re-log in. Okay, let me clear my screen. Okay, pwd and id. See, I log in as a Vagrant user and I am inside home Vagrant by default. So that's the home directory. Whenever you log into a system, you will lend it to that home directory accordingly set in that file. So this is the thing, but where this home directory and this whatever we are defining is getting saved, so that I will tell you the next video, because we have already shown you whenever you create a user, it will make some changes in 3 files whenever we do any changes. So I will show you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning.